Hi, welcome to TurnerTime. This tutorial is on how to set Outlook desktop app as your default app for mail to links in Windows 11. If your default email opens up on the browser and you want to change it to open on your classic Outlook, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make that change. Before we move forward with the tutorial, here's a quick question for you. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? You can get our upskilling program that covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity, so you can learn to save 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, contact us via email or phone. Let's get back to our tutorial. Left-click the Start button in your taskbar. Left-click Settings. If you don't see Settings here, you may do a search. Left-click Apps. Left-click Default Apps. Search Outlook in the search bar. I have both versions of Outlook, New Outlook and Outlook Classic. You can left-click either of these. It works the same. I will left-click New Outlook icon. Scroll down to find Mailto. Left-click on Mailto. In the pop-up, I will select Outlook Classic because that is where I want to open my mail to emails. Left-click Set Default. Going forward, the Mail to links will open in Outlook Classic. If this tutorial helps you, please support us by liking this video. Also give us your comments and share this tutorial with others. And if you are interested in the training I mentioned earlier, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 85577 88463.